Hey guys, can you tell me if you can hear me? Yeah? No? In the Discord, please. No one's in here. Shit. Yep, perfect. Okay, fantastic. Let's get going then. I'm sorry about that. Again, sometimes the internet is jammed up. I'll give you guys a minute to get in. Okay. Let's hang on a minute. Okay, guys, let's just give everybody a minute to jump in. If I get 3 people, we'll start. All right, let's get going, shall we? Please let me know if there's any lag or any problems with the stream. Just send me a message in Discord. Okay, guys, it's been a crazy last 24 hours, no matter where you are. Crazy day, crazy night. Now, I'm expecting something to happen around 5:30 UTC time, okay? Keep that in mind, okay? Around 5:30 UTC time. Okay. All right, so now that we're live, let's go through this real quick. All right, now what I wanted to see the price above 86.50. Above this red 2-to-1 line, and it has made it over that. That's good, okay? That is good. What I did not want to see, I'll come over and explain this in a minute, but just a heads up, I'm expecting something around 5:30 UTC time, all right? Around 5:30 UTC time, there's going to be something. Up, down, I don't know, but I'm expecting some kind of event at that time. Okay, and as I just said that if you're not in a position, you can long here with a stop loss below 8633. Okay, below 8633. Was it 8633? Is that what I said? Okay, well at that time it was 8697, okay? So you want to be careful. If you're going to long here, yeah, stop loss should be below 8567, okay? Safe stop loss below 8657. There you go. Bush, not 8565. Sorry about that. Damn, I'm a little fidgety. 8565. Okay, very good. So if you're going to be entering along here, around this area, your stop loss should be below here, below 8565. Okay. What we want to see this red 2-to-1 turn into a support. Okay. Now let's start with the charts. First, I'm going to keep this brief and simple. This is our 6-minute 11:11 chart, and it's set to close. And you know that I use this 11:11 chart to monitor the trade or to monitor the trend, to give me an overall altogether view. Okay, so far this is looking beautiful. Okay, what this tells me is that it most definitely did bottom. It bottomed It broke above. It gave the long signal. I notified all of you guys when it gave the long signal. I did stop the trade. Then I got back in. I notified you guys again. And now what's happening here, it made it a clear move above minus 28.77, which is our bullish break line, right? Which is our bullish break line. And what we're having here is consolidation well above minus 28.77. And now I do sometimes use a 49 EMA just to give me an idea of what's happening, okay? So it's looking good. It hasn't even touched the 49 EMA yet. Now, what's happening here with the 800 EMA? This is the one we really care about. It is curving up, okay? It is curving up. Now, what we want to see is for the Williams line to remain above here, above the minus 28.77. And we want to see this 800 EMA rise up here, okay? Why? Because as it rises up, it will provide support. It will push the Williams line away from it and up, okay? What we do not want to see is we do not want to see the Williams line come down and test the 49 or swipe down. If the Williams line cuts down, it will dump the price. Okay, so you do need to be careful. Yeah, we're really bullish, or the sentiment's really bullish right now, but we need to be guarding against the downside as well. So we need to know what's happening, okay? So that's a 6 minute, all right? It looks good as long as this keeps consolidating, okay? And if it needs to come down, it could test the 49 EMA, but we hope that it does not test it, okay? Obviously, this is like an insurance, okay? But we hope that it doesn't need to test it. We hope it just keeps consolidating up here, and this EMA 800 just comes up to push it up. Now, that's our 6 minute, very important. That's the king, okay? Now let's go to the 1 minute. What's the 1 minute telling us? All right, beautiful. Look at that. It's fucking beautiful, okay? It is beautiful. It's a work of art. Bottom, bang. And do you guys remember this? I don't know if you guys remember this or not, but I think it was yesterday when it bottomed. I gave you guys the alert. I said, yeah, it bottomed, but I'm not taking the trade, right? I'll wait. But anyway, this same thing, pushed up, consolidation right up here. This is all bullish consolidation. The EMA is all the way up. It is supporting it, okay? Do you see how the 800 EMA is acting as support? Beautiful, okay? Now here's the deal. As long as this 1 minute stays consolidating like this, it will give support to the 6 minute, which is beautiful, which is what we want, okay? This is exactly what we want, okay? Now, what you want to watch out for is for on the 1 minute. The 1 minute is a chart you really need to watch carefully for a change in trend. We want to watch out for this this Williams line breaking below the 800 EMA and breaking below minus 28.77, because that will significantly drop the price, and if it goes further, possibly even dump the price, okay? So that's your risk. Yeah, it's really bullish right now, but you need to be prepared for it to change, okay? Now, when we look at that, what are our supports here? Okay, now to check the supports, you can look at the corresponding pivots on the Williams, okay? This is where the Williams is right now. This is the previous touch low. The previous touch low on the Williams is right here at 85.68, okay? 85.68 is the support. So it's going to need to break 85.68 to get below the minus 14.29 line, okay? And, ooh, it's doing a nice pump. I like it. It's looking good, okay? So that's what you got there, okay? So all of your stop losses should be down here, 8569, okay? Goes below 8569, not good for anybody, okay? What we do not want to see, we do not want to see this go like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, okay? We don't want to see that, okay? What we want to see is we want to see this, okay? That's what we want to see, all right? We want it to break above this 8 to 1 topside resistance on the GAN fan, okay? And as I already told you guys, once it's above the red 2 to 1, it is very likely to go there, okay? Beautiful. I called a trade again, okay? Beautiful. All right. Now, I think I'm fitting into my shoes as, like, you know, I'm getting used to these responsibilities, okay? Bear with me. I'm not perfect, but I'm getting used to it, okay? Now, let's see here. I like that. I like that, okay? So that's your 1 minute chart. We discussed the 6 minute. Now, where's this going? Your next resistance on this chart is right here at 8,900, okay? That's what you want to watch out for on the 1 minute, okay? 1 minute resistance is 8,900, okay? It's right there. It's already been marked. Now, what I want to go through with you is something more important, okay? This chart, am I going to go through it? Is it still important? Yeah, okay, maybe, okay? I think we'll leave it to that. I don't want to overload you with information, okay? Yes, there's resistance, but what it's doing here is just going up that way, okay? That's the path it's taking. That's okay by me, okay? Let it do what it's doing, okay? Now, this chart, I don't think it's important. This fan is not important. Let's move forward. Now, there we go. This is what we want to see, okay? This is what we want to see. This line here is becoming support, which is beautiful, which is good. That's what I wanted to see, okay? 8,700 is becoming support. And now, do you see this is the pivot low? Do you see that? And now it is above the blue 1 to 1. This is extremely bullish, okay? This should be at 9K soon, all right? It will be at 9K soon if this support continues to hold, which I believe it will. Yeah, there could be some sideways, but it's going to 9K, all right? So if you have longs below 85.57, they should be relatively safe unless some fuck shit happens, okay? I can't protect you from fuck shit, okay? Pause it for a minute. All right. Now, what's that gonna do? Okay, what's that gonna do? Oh, we got people watching. Beautiful. All right, so that's what we want, and I'm not going to go over these TEMAs right now. Okay, so what you're looking for here, your next resistance is 91.06, and the resistance after that is 97.86, and I believe that they will get hit, okay? They will get hit. The biggest resistance is right here at 10.171. Now, let me go over something very important with you guys, okay? Something very important, okay? Now, first of all, let's zoom out, shall we? Okay? Let's zoom out. I explained this in the last video. Okay, now, if you have studied GANFAN, you know what I'm talking about, don't you? Okay? People who don't understand GANFAN, they ridicule me. But it's okay. It's okay if you ridicule me. It's okay. I know you're just joking. All right. This pivot low here, how did I choose that pivot low? It was a pivot low on the Williams, okay? That's why I chose it. This pivot high, high price, okay? This pivot, it was the top over here. That's why I chose it, okay? So when you choose pivots for your Williams, they must be significant pivots, okay? They must be significant pivots. When you choose, did I say when you choose pivots for your GANFAN, they must be significant pivots, pivot highs, pivot lows, and a good way to find the corresponding point is to look at the Williams. Sometimes it's not exact, but try to find the peak point in Williams or the peak point in price, okay? Now, what happened here is this is the pivot, this is from the fan from the pivot low, got off, went back on, hit, congestion, hit, came back down. Do you see that? And then what happened? It fell off this 8-to-1 line. Do you see this 8-to-1 line? It fell off. Bang, it fell off. Now I always tell you guys, what does that mean? Whenever the price falls off the fan from the pivot low, it falls off the fan, makes a pivot to push up from. Do you see that? Isn't that what always happens? That is what always happens. And we've talked about it many times. So I believe that this is exactly what is happening now. This is making a bounce from here. And this bounce could be powerful enough to send it past this 8-to-1 resistance. Okay, folks, you need to understand the significance here. If the price breaks above this 8-to-1 resistance, what is going to happen? It's going to go higher than 13K. It's going to go for a newer pivot high. Okay? Let's just leave it at that for now. If that happens, then we can talk about whether it will challenge the all-time high. Okay? This is what is in store right now. Okay? It is going to make an attempt. Now, what I want to show you is this. Oh, fuck. All right, this is what I want to show you. Rejected. The price rejected, rejected, rejected. Oh, look, it's over. Do you see that? It rejected, rejected. And now what? It's creeping over the 3-to-1. Do you see it? For the first time. Why? Because it bounced off of the fan. And now it has it has the energy to push up, okay? So it could very well blow past this 8-to-1 very soon, okay? Very important. I explained that slowly so that you understand it. Now we are going to go on to the next exhibit, okay? Wow, go baby, go. Beautiful, okay? Beautiful, beautiful. Now, the next exhibit. Folks, this is something new I'm working on, okay? This here, to be honest, you see this chart? I was working on this yesterday. I've been working on it for the last couple days, actually. Do you see this here? I had drawn this yesterday, but at the time, the price was stuck. At the time, the price was just doing this. I thought it was nothing. Okay? Do you see that? And this divergence, bang, caught the bottom. I wish I knew that. I was not clever enough. I was not experienced enough to know that. I swear to God, I did this yesterday. I did not make this up right now. Okay? I did not make this up right now. Okay? Now, where is the price going? Okay, where's the price going? I want to show you guys something here. I want to show you something really amazing. This here is the 1 minute. Okay? It's the 1 minute. It bottom, and then it rose up. It's bullish. Okay? Now, next up, we got the 5 minute. Here we go. Bullish. Okay? This is a special setting. It's a 1999 open, high, low, close 4 on the Williams. Okay? Now, let's go higher. 15 minutes. Bullish. Okay? Let's go higher. 30 minutes. Bullish. Do you see that? It broke above the 800 EMA and it's ready to go. It has all of this room to run up. Okay? All of that room. All right? Now, let's go higher. 1 hour. Bullish. Okay? Has all of this room to run up. Where's the top? June. June. July. Do you see that? Those are the levels that are going to be challenged. All right? Those are the levels that are going to be challenged. Let's go higher. 2 hour. Okay? The 2 hour is a little special. Okay? The 2 hour, again, this is a different measurement. Okay? But the 2 hour needs to take out this pivot here. And then it will go take us here. Okay? But I'm not going to pay attention to the 2 hour. The 2 hour has a lot of room to run up. Okay? So I see no rejection inside until this resistance. What's the next resistance, folks? Let's take a look. The 2 hour will tell me. Why? Because everything is past the EMA. Okay? If this can get above 8,800, it will fly. This resistance is 8,800. After 8,800, it will go to this resistance right here. It will go to 10,300. Do you understand that, folks? After 8,800, it will go to 10,300. Now I want to bring you back. I want to bring your attention back to the 1 hour. The 1 hour is what I'm focusing on here. Okay? The 1 hour is exactly what I am focusing on. Now, the 1 hour, what does it need? Let me bring this down. I will explain these other charts later. Okay? The 1 hour needs to get above here. That's my first resistance. Okay? 8,700. Okay? I've already put that on my chart, 8646. The next resistance it needs to get past is over here. What is that? Right around here, 9,700, okay? It needs to get past 9,700. And then it needs to get past 10,300. So I told you guys this is going straight to 10,300, and you guys laughed at me, or you didn't believe me. I told you first, okay? Y'all remember that, okay? I told you first. Not that it matters, but it does matter. Okay, so this is what we're looking at, guys. Right now, we're going straight to 9,700 and then 10,300. Okay, that's what we're looking at right now. So I hope you're ready for this. Okay, I hope you're ready. That's where this party is going. All right, and again, I called along in the stream. I don't know if any of you guys took it, but that's the situation. Bottom is in. All right. Bottom is in. If it can take out these resistances, then we'll see what happens after, okay? But 9,700 is happening today. 10,300 might also happen today, all right? It's going. Don't short this, okay? Then it'll go to 11K. Let's get this money, folks. Let's get this fucking money. We don't get opportunity like this every month, every year, every day. We're lucky. We're here. We're lucky. We know what to do. Okay, let's get it. That's all I'm saying. I'm all about this. Okay, let's get it. Are there any questions? Isn't it amazing that we called it all in our group? Everything. Like, yo, shout out to Tech 2. Yo, his bot called it. It was bleeping, beeping, 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 and people weren't listening. Yeah, that's true. Not everybody listened. Some people did listen. They were wise. But yeah. Anyway, I also did notify you guys here. Okay, in the chat, I mean, in the Discord. Okay, but that's cool. But we're going to have many, many more trades, okay? Guys, the one thing I need from you is, if you are in a losing trade, Please don't fucking hang on to it. Don't be afraid to, actually, what I want to say is don't be afraid to close your trade at a loss if you're losing. If you have a 10% loss, a 20% loss, it's okay. You can make it back the same week. You can make it back right away. Just don't fucking hang in a losing trade, all right? That's all I'm trying to tell you, okay? That's it. Don't hang in a losing trade, okay? That's it, okay? That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. We're going to make lots of money, okay? Just don't fucking hang on to losing trades. As long as you have money to continue, you will continue. And my advice, hey, keep your leverage no higher than 25x, okay? Because if you get wiped out, it's going to be fucked up. You're easily going to get wiped out at 50x, 75x, 100x. You're going to get wiped out. Nobody should be doing 100x, okay? Nobody. Y'all should stick to 25x or less. At least with 25x, if you make a mistake, you can still come back to the market and try again. Okay? That's the key thing. And also another thing that you guys got to understand is that if you're away from your computer or your phone while you're trading and you're on BitMEX and you're 25x, yo, they will reject your stop, okay? What does that mean if they reject your stop? The trade keeps running, okay? You might think it hit your stop, but no, you might get into liquidation. Okay, please understand the significance of that. Please do not get wrecked. Lots of opportunity to make money here. Okay, we are going straight to 10,300. Okay, straight to 10,300. All right, let's get it. We're making this fucking money. Okay, that's it. Okay, straight to 10,300. All right, I mean, yo, nobody believe me. People don't understand. Guys, I'm becoming precise. Okay. I'm becoming precise, okay? That's it, okay? Thank you guys all for being here. If you guys got questions, I'll take them. That's it. Do not short this shit, okay? That's it. I called it like a fucking boss, man. And I've been doing this for like, what? A little over a week. Guys, are there any questions? Please post them in the Discord. Please post your questions in the Discord if you have questions. Okay? Questions? Holy shit. We are making money, huh? Guys, we're going to make so much money. Okay? We're going to make so much money. All right. Questions? No questions? If there are no questions... There are no questions. No questions? Okay, I'm waiting on your questions. No questions. No questions. All right. I guess everybody's making money. That's good, guys. Keep making money. That's going to be it. All right. And I'll keep you updated throughout the day with charts and whatever it is. But, yo, we're going to print money nonstop. All right. We're going to print money nonstop. All right. That's what's up. So anyway, guys, thanks for joining me. It's been fucking crazy. All right, we've been here for like what, a little more than a week, a little over a week, and it's been crazy. And there's lots of good times ahead of us. Okay, just please make sure that you cut your losses when you have losses, and make sure that you have enough money to trade. Man, you know what? People are messaging me about how much money they got left, a small amount, and they want to be able to make the money back. You know what? You're gonna make back everything you lost. If you lost any money in the market, you are going to make it back, okay? That's exactly what's going to happen right now. We're going to make money back, okay? I'm already making money back. We're all going to make money back, okay? My whole point for starting this group was actually to share my style with you guys. Actually, there was a small group. We actually had this as a chat in the bot section, and it got really interesting. So we just said, hey, why don't we take a private kind of thing, right? And it was such a good idea. You know what? So really thank you guys for everything, and thanks for your support, and thanks for tuning in and asking me questions about my charts and all of that stuff. And if you guys got suggestions about the group or suggestions about anything we should do, please get at me and let me know, all right? So anyway, let's get this money. Since there are no questions, I'm going to end the live stream right there, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everybody. All right? Take care.